Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we talk about all things gaming gear. If you're in the market for a new rig that can handle the latest and greatest games at high frames per rates, I've got you covered today with the iBUYPOWER Y40 PRO Black Gaming PC Desktop Computer. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First things first, let's dive into what makes this beast tick. We've got the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X at the helm, which offers an absolute ton of processing power for effortless 4K gaming. The 16GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti GPU might just be the most impressive part of this build though, with its top-notch ray tracing and AI-enhanced features. If you've seen the latest ray tracing effects in games like Cyberpunk or The Witcher 3, you'll know how insane it looks. As you can probably guess, the real star of the show is the performance. I've been blown away by how silky smooth everything runs on this rig. Whether you're playing the latest releases or older games that are still holding up, rest assured that this Y40 Pro will give you buttersmooth gameplay every time. Let me put it this way, I've played games that were previously unplayable for me on my older laptop with no issues whatsoever on this PC. You know who's going to be stoked about this thing, the developers, that's who. With the special add-ons like NVIDIA Studio and the entire system being ready for all your creative endeavors like video editing or graphic design, you can now enjoy a whole new level of fidelity and accuracy with your media. This gives you the freedom to really express yourself and get the most out of your favorite titles. Another super important thing to consider here is that I can now join virtual events like gaming tournaments live without worrying about any lag or frame drops, something that used to give me a lot of headaches previously. Since I've partnered up with a gaming community group, this PC upgrade has already paid for itself a few times over. In terms of hardware, I personally really love the customizable 32GB DDR5 RAM. I do use some of my more CPU-heavy programs at the same time as games, and it really helps prevent any potential freezes or crashes. 2TB NVMe SSD? Yeah, more than enough storage for all my games, programs, and favorite media content. Now of course, any products not without some minor caveats. Keep in mind that if you're one of those rare people who have a very old monitor with outdated ports or extremely high 144Hz refresh rates, you might need to invest in an extra adapter or two. The Windows 11 Home Edition comes on board, too. I don't know how I feel about the latest update since its release, but it does seem to be somewhat of a performance boost here. Ultimately, I guess I just have to say it, this PC's fast. Really fast, possibly much faster than you know how to keep it. The performance is on point, even if it takes a minute to get used to some of the more advanced features. All things considered, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC Desktop Computer is quite the impressive machine, with some really powerful features for the price point of just over $2,000. With the impressive upgrade possibilities, beautiful customizable 32GB RAM, super smooth 1080p, and 4K gameplay, I think anyone looking to get into competitive gaming quickly, with all the modern tools at hand, should take a good hard look at this model. Pros: I loved the ease of building and customizing this PC, the new NVMe SSD is super snappy, and the performance boost I got from upgrading from my old gaming PC is just night and day. Cons: it is pretty pricey, so be prepared to have the funds, and some monitors might need a separate adapter. But honestly, that should be expected on a build this advanced. So if you're on the hunt for a PC that's going to be able to keep up with your gaming ambitions, I highly recommend taking a look at the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black Gaming PC Desktop Computer. The link is in the description below, where you can dive deeper into the product details or even purchase it for yourself. Happy gaming!